We are from IE Class 2, Group 1. Today we're gonna presenting about our presentation. Enjoy the video! So, first we're gonna explain about the tree identification. We are from Group 1, from IE Class 2. And the member of this group consists of me, Ersarta Sabodiono, and then Talita, Elga Kurniawan, and then Muhammad Nova Ulin Nuha, and the last one is Wahyuni Purwatiningsi. And the next one is introduction. We are from Group 2, Industrial Engineering Class 2. At Presiden University is doing the identification of tree classes and documentation at 17 June 2025. We do this identification to gain the study of physical characteristic of the tree and the surrounding ecosystem. Also to see the industrial practice at the nature. We do the identification by doing an experiment like collecting, analyzing, and also documenting. And then this is the first one, observation description. So for the tree description, is the observed tree is the tree that has a very small to medium height, which is around 2.5 until 3 meter high, but this type of tree can also grow up to 5 until 7 meter high. And here is a part of tree that we observe. The next one is the branch description. The branch description is rather thin but full. For the lower part of the tree is harder than the upper part. The branches are branched and covered with a bunch of flower.
This is bark description. Bark from this tree is quite raw and has a texture like clouds. The color is also dark or light, usually depending on the age of the tree, but the tree we observed was rather dark brownish in color. So this is bark observation also. The surface is not test but dusty texture, so many shape and taste bitter and hard to bite. So this is leaf description. Leaf shape rather large than the flower, about arm length, arm length, with leaf veins that are shaped like pinnet. The color is green, but there is also a pale green color in the color of the leaves. And this is leaf observation also. Bitter taste. The shape is sticky but good smells and crunchy.
So in this slide, I will explain about observation description. First is the flowers are pink with yellow in color with average and petals. In terms of fragrance, this flower is classified as fragrance with a sweet and soft fragrance. Sweet smell, 5 petals, and yellow pink color. For the next slide is flower observation. There is sweet smells, bitter sour taste, and the sap is bitter. Next is tree species identification. For the species is Plumeria rubra L, a family Apocynaceae, genus Plumeria, and general name is Cambogia bali. So for the next slide is animal around the tree. First is flies. There are flies landing on the leaves like in that picture. Second, wasp. There is wasps also land on the flowers because of the fragrant smell of the flowers. And for the last is ants. There are also many ants on the leaf stem.
Interaction between tree and other tree. Competition. Nutrients. Around the plant there are plants that are the same as the frangipani flowers. They are arranged in a row so that they grow in the same soil. The nutrients they get are also divided. From the frangipani tree that we observed, it can be said to be quite large compared to other trees, and it can be concluded that the absorption of nutrients is greater than another tree. Water. During dry season, pla- frangipani trees that grow close to each other compete for limited water in the soil. The tree with deeper or more widespread roots can absorb more moisture, leaving less for the other. This competition may cause smaller or weaker trees nearby to grow slower or appear less healthy. Sunlight. The frangipani tree has a wide branch structure and dense leaves. When trees are planted closely, their canopies can block sunlight from reaching each other. Trees that receive less sunlight may have slower growth due to reduced photosynthesis. From observation, some frangipani trees seem to dominate the light due to their position and size. Shade provider. Smaller plants or seedlings sometimes grow under the frangipani tree company. They benefit from the shade which protects them from intense sunlight, while the frangipani tree remains unaffected. This kind of interaction shows commensalims between the trees. Interaction between tree and animal. Cambodia tree with fleas. Fleas often land on the tree branches of leaves to rest or explore surfaces in reach or food without affecting the tree. This is an example of commensalism, where the fly benefits while the tree remains unaffected. Cambodia tree with ants. Ants may nest in the bark of branches and this return for shelter. They protect the tree by attracting pests or herbivorous in insects. Insects. This mutualistic interaction between both the tree and the ants. Cambodia tree with wasps. Wasps may use the tree as a resting place or temporary shelter. They might also hunt other insects around the tree, since the tree is not harmed. This is also a form of commensalism. Ecology function of the tree to the environment. Flowers from the frangipani tree can beautify the surrounding scenery, making it look beautiful and attractive. This frangipani tree can also help in producing oxygen for all of us and make the surrounding air fresher and cooler. This frangipani tree can also block sunlight so that the area under the tree can be shaded and not too hot because it is blocked by the frangipani tree. Conclusion. In conclusion, the frangipani tree engages in various ecological interactions, including competition and symbiosis. It competes with nearby trees for nutrients, water, and sunlight, which can affect the growth of surrounding plants. At the same time, it forms commensal and mutualistic relationship with animals like fleas, ants, and wasps, where some gain benefit without harming the tree, and other, like ants, even help protect protect it. Their interactions show how the frangipani tree plays an active role in its ecosystem.
Thank you for watching.